In the village where time moves slowly, a boy named Kenji spent his evenings listening to the world. Memories rose like captured light, voices of grandmothers, laughter of children long grown, songs from before anyone could remember. But the sky grew dark. The elders had warned of this storm. A storm that would wash away everything the rain held dear. He ran to the heart of the village, where the oldest memories lived. And there, in the eye of the storm, he made a promise that the stories would never be lost, that the rain would always speak,